Feeling stressed or just craving something cozy? These 3 comfort food recipes are easy, affordable, and taste like a warm hug. First up, sweet potato chickpea curry. In a pot, sauté onions, garlic, and a spoon of curry powder. Add chopped sweet potatoes, canned chickpeas, and coconut milk. Let it simmer until creamy and fragrant. It's warm, hearty, and packed with nutrients. Next, a healthy twist on mac and cheese. Boil whole wheat pasta, then stir in steamed broccoli, carrots, and spinach. Mix with a homemade cheese sauce, just low-fat milk, a touch of butter, and cheddar. Bake until golden and bubbly. Now for something sweet. Cinnamon Oat Banana Bake. Mash ripe bananas, mix with oats, cinnamon, almond milk, and a touch of honey. Bake until golden and gooey, perfect for breakfast or a healthy dessert. There you have it. 3 warm, delicious comfort foods that are cheap, easy, and full of feel-good ingredients. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.